Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I hope all my lovely students are doing very well. So, this is Yashika, and I am back here again with SwiftLearn, that is India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10, where we try harder each day so that you learn better. So, your Yashika ma'am is back here only for you with lot of energy, lot of positivity. So today's session is going to be full of positivity and enthusiasm. So without much ado, we are going to start with today's session and I am going to reveal that what are you going to do with me today. But before that, what are you going to do? You just need to like, share and subscribe so that you never ever miss any important update from our end. So what are we waiting for? Let's start quickly. As you can see on your screen here, I have a very interesting question. How to win friends and influence people? Okay, so the question itself is really interesting. How to win friends and influence people. So, who doesn't want to influence people, right? Everybody would like to do that. So, today, in this session one of the life skills series with me, you are going to learn the art of persuasiveness, the art of influencing people, and how to win friends. So, this is the session one. We are going to have complete series on life skills with me. So stay tuned with us, watch the video till the end, and we would be having a lot of upcoming sessions for you. So let's quickly start with today's session, and here are the objectives for the day. So first of all, there would be a question in your mind that Yashika ma'am has come up with a very interesting session today that is on life skills. But what these life skills are, so let me tell you that I am not going to explain life skills in that traditional way. Today, you would be learning life skills in Swift Learn way. All right, you would be knowing that why is it so important to know your inner self? You know the whole world around you, but do you know yourself? Today you would be knowing. Now, the question of the day, how to win friends and influence people. This is something we are going to talk about, and we would be winding up the session with a very interesting story, a better me. That is going to be a better you. So let's quickly start. We are going to talk about life skills first. पहले हम बात करेंगे life skills की. Life skills ये क्या है? सबसे पहले skill. What is a skill? Skill is any ability. अभी आप वहाँ पे बैठे हैं, you are watching this video. Some of you would be having an ability to dance. Some of you would be having the ability to cook. Some of you would be having the ability to carry out mathematical calculations. So, all these abilities that help you do something well in your life, all these are nothing but your skills. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about essential life skills which can make your life better and really interesting for you. तो सबसे पहले जब हम लाइफ स्किल्स की बात करते हैं, so it's really important for you to interact with your community, your society, and to understand them. For that, you require communication skills, cooperation skills, and of course, empathy. So once you learn how to empathize with your society, with your community, your friends, you require cognitive thinking skills where you're going to solve critical problems in just a flick of a second. You are going to think creatively, you are going to think out of the box, you would be making some really important decisions of your life, and of course you would be aware of yourself, which is the goal of this whole series, making you aware of yourself. Now finally, when you have those cognitive thinking skills, it's time to talk about emotional skills where you would understand how to manage stress, how to manage emotions, and how to resist that peer pressure. So, what do you need to understand is that everybody is dealing with stress. All right. So, let me just take a pause here. They are dealing with stress, they aren't managing it. So, you would be learning how to manage stress. Everybody is dealing with it, they're not doing anything different in their life. So, you would be learning these life skills with me so that you don't only deal with them, you manage them in order to make your life fruitful. So, are you ready? So, these were some important life skills which we are going to learn in this whole series. So, the series is going to be of a lot of sessions. This is just the trailer today, the very first session. So, let's move forward. I have very nice motivating lines for you. If we cannot love the person whom we see, how can we love God whom we cannot see? So, so true. If you cannot love yourself, you're able to see yourself, right? If you cannot love the world around you, the people around you, how can you claim to love God whom you can't even see? So the difference is first try to understand yourself, try to understand the people who are around you, and then you would be able to make a connection with God too. So these beautiful lines are given by Mother Teresa, and I hope that these are going to really motivate you. Now, moving forward, I have a very nice life transforming tool for you. So, if you have those pent up emotions that you would like to release, Life Skills Journal is the tool for you. So, Life Skills Journal can be your time diary and it can be a life transforming tool for you. Let me just tell you what this Life Skills Journal is. This is nothing, this is just a simple diary. You can call it as your personal diary that you need to write on regular basis. You are going to decide the framework, you are going to decide the schedule. Whether I want to write this diary on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, whatever you would like to, since that diary belongs to you. But remember, just keep on writing. Release your pent up emotions. Write whatever you would like to feel. Just imagine that diary is your best friend and nobody else is listening to you. Only that diary is there to keep your secrets. Now, moving forward, do not forget these important points while you would be writing the diary, which is your life skills journal. Be totally honest. It's really important to be honest with yourself. When you are writing down, it's not only writing about the events. आपको सिर्फ events के बारे में नहीं लिखना है that I had a fight with my friend today. So this is the reason why I had a fight. You need to write how I felt before fighting, how did I start feeling after fighting. You need to release emotions. So the most important point to be noted here that you need to express your feelings and thoughts, not just the events. Finally, keep reviewing your journal because sometimes what happens is that you repeat your thoughts to avoid duplicity. Always keep on reviewing the journal, what I'm writing, why am I writing it. And do not always mention the obvious things. Everything that is evident, we all know that. But there are some things that are hidden inside you. You are just not ready to open up. You don't have that courage to open it up in front of everyone. So that's fine. Your diary, your life skills journal is there for you. I personally do it on daily basis and it really helps me maintain a nice routine, a nice schedule. And of course, when nobody is there to listen, my diary is always my best companion. So you can also take this life skills journal as your life transforming tool. Now, moving forward, we are going to talk about you with the help of the story A Better Me. So, a better me and a better you. So, let's move forward. Let me just tell you this story. I'm just going to summarize it for you. This story is about a boy. The boy who wanted self appraisal. You know what is self appraisal? Praising yourself, knowing your worth, no matter whether the world understands you or not, no matter whether the world knows you or not. You know yourself, you know your worth, you know how to praise yourself, and you are enough for yourself. So, this boy once tried to call the person, the owner of a lawn where he used to work. He used to work in a lawn with a lady and he called over there. Boy ने वहाँ कॉल किया उस lady को जिसके lawn में ये boy काम करता था. As you can see, this boy is working in a lawn. So he called the owner of that lawn and he pretended to be somebody else. So he said that I would like to work at your lawn in half the amount. तो जो भी आपके यहाँ काम कर रहा है मैं उससे भी half salary में यहाँ काम करूँगा and I'll offer a lot more benefits to you. So the boy tried to persuade the women in the best possible way that what I'll do is I'll sweep your curb and your sidewalk. On Sundays, you will have the prettiest lawn in your area. Can you imagine? कितना ज़्यादा उसने persuade करने की कोशिश की अपने owner को. The owner wasn't knowing who this boy is. But, still the women answered, no, thank you. Why? ऐसा क्यों? अगर आज आप कहीं काम करते हैं और आपकी जगह कोई और आ जाए और वो बोले कि मैं ये सारी ड्यूटीज फुलफिल करूंगा एंड आई विल डू दैट इन हाफ ऑफ द अमाउंट, येट द ओनर इज नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट पर्सन, तो कुछ तो डिफरेंट है यहाँ. ये क्यों है, ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज दैट बॉय हैड हिज ओन वर्थ. ही इज यूनिक, ही इज वन ऑफ अ काइंड. So each one of us, we are unique. We should know our worth. We should know our value. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? The boy had a smile on his face and he said to himself that I know my worth and I was just checking my performance at the job that I have already done. जहां मैं ऑलरेडी काम कर रहा हूं वहां मैंने कॉल करके ऐसा क्यों बोला? जस्ट बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू चेक माई परफॉर्मेंस, आई वॉन्टेड टू कीप अ चेक ऑन माई वर्थ, माई वैल्यू. कि अगर आज मुझसे हाफ अमाउंट में भी काम करने आ जाए कोई, तो वेदर दैट पर्सन वुड बी केपेबल इनफ to replace me? No, because that person is not me. So this is what we call as self appraisal, which is highly recommended because it encourages you to be proud of your accomplishments but at the same time candid about your weakness. So accomplishments भी अपने mind में रखनी है and weakness भी. अगर अभी थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव फीडबैक आ जाता ओनर की तरफ से तो बॉय को एक फीडबैक भी मिलता दैट व्हाई इज द लैंड ओनर ट्राइंग टू रिप्लेस मी विद अनदर पर्सन. देयर इज समथिंग दैट आई नीड टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन. तो अब आपको क्या सोचना है? It's time for you to appraise yourself. Time for self appraisal. Know your worth. Be self aware. Finally, अब इस स्टोरी से आपको इतना समझ में आ गया होगा that you are one of a kind. So never ever doubt your potential or your capabilities. आगे चलेंगे and I am going to give you today's task. In every session of mine in this complete series, from beginning till the end, I am going to give you a task of the day. आज का टास्क ये है, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट योर नेम ऑन अ शीट ऑफ पेपर. आपको बस अपना नेम लिखना है. जस्ट फॉर इंस्टेंस मेरा नेम है याशिका, माई नेम इज याशिका. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट माई नेम इन दिस वे. Yeah. So I'm not going to write it horizontally. I have to write it vertically. Vertically ये name लिखने के बाद मुझे क्या करना है? I just have to write a corresponding self-descriptive word. Y से कोई ऐसा word जो मुझे describe करता हो. A से कोई ऐसा word जो मेरी personality को describe करता हो. And similarly with H, I, K and A. As you can see here from A it's written as achiever, V versatile, E excels, again M modest. तो आपको क्या करना है? You have to give yourself a self-descriptive word that starts with the letters of your name. And by the end of this activity, you need to make a story by collecting all these words. For example, I am a versatile, I am an achiever, I am magnificent and intelligent. तो आपको क्या करना है? You just have to recollect these words जो आपने self descriptive words दिए and then make a story out of it. This will really help you build your self confidence कि मुझ में कितनी सारी qualities हैं. I can do it and I will do it. So this positivity only you can evoke in yourself. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? This is the activity that you need to complete by the end of this lesson. And in the next lesson, जब मैं live आऊंगी, I would be asking you that have you done this task, which is really going to increase your self-esteem. So I am done with today's session. Self-awareness, a better you. Now what we are going to do not forget to complete the task for the day. I would be definitely asking about this task in the next session. ठीक है? You all are going to share your stories with me and you all are going to share your qualities with me. Till then, do not forget it's time for self appraisal. You need to know your worth, you need to know your potential, and you are there. All right, so this is done from my side. Session 1 on essential life skills by Ashika ma'am has been completed. But do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to encourage me so that I can come up with more such sessions in my series. All right, so stay tuned with me. I would be meeting you in the next session. Take care and do not forget, you are one of a kind.